Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to properly pronounce cat in English and in Hausa language. In order to properly pronounce cat, we'll simply go to Google and then we'll search for how to pronounce cat. Google already has a kind of lexicon structured in such a way that you can simply, when you search a particular word, it brings the audio version of it for you. So you can actually hit on the speaker icon and then it will play the spelling of that particular word for you. So if I click on this volume icon, you hear it. Listen properly. It's called cut.
Cat,
So you hear that. Say cut, cut,
cat,
cut, cut,
cat,
cut,
cat,
cut. So you can see that's how to pronounce cut in English. If you want it to be pronounced slowly, you can go for the slow version. You just check it and you see how to pronounce it slowly.
cat,
Cut. So now let's go for the Hausa version, how to pronounce cat in Hausa. So now let's go to the Hausa version, how to pronounce cat in Hausa. Or let's see the translation of cat in Hausa. In Hausa language, cat is called Musa. So if you already know, there's a name called Musa in Hausa language, and also often used by Muslims too. So not necessarily Hausa. Musa is synonymous to Moses. You get it in the Bible. If you know the story of Moses in the Bible, I don't want to go into that. But in Hausa, you pronounce it as Musa. Musa, different from Musa, which is a name which means Moses that is drawn out of water. So we have Musa. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to hit subscribe button, like, and share.